Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On January 27th, 2025, a document was filed on the court docket in Idaho versus Koberger. This is the order regarding the January 23rd, 2025 hearing transcript. And this has to do with the hearing transcript where whatever was stated during the hearing, and this is the closed hearing that occurred commencing 9:00 a.m. January 23rd, is going to be memorialized in a transcript. So this is what this order is. It's order regarding January 23rd, 2025 hearing transcript. And it states here, the court reporter assigned to the hearing in this matter on January 23rd, 2025, that is, of course, the closed hearing that was held in Judge Steven Hippler's courtroom, shall prepare a verbatim, that's word-for-word transcript of the portion of the hearing that was closed to the public. So this would be the hearing that occurred in the morning having to do with the motion to suppress IGG evidence, witness testimony that was taken with respect to the potential Franks hearing. So this is rather interesting to me. The verbatim transcript of the portion of the hearing that was closed to the public, the court reporter assigned to that hearing is going to prepare a verbatim transcript of the portion of the hearing that was closed to the public. And upon completion of the transcript, the parties will have 14 days to identify those portions of the transcript that should be redacted from public disclosure, providing a basis for the same. Okay, so what Judge Hippler is saying here, court reporter is going to prepare a transcript verbatim of what happened behind closed doors, closed session, motion to suppress evidence, motion for Frank's hearing, and the testimony of the witnesses, who we don't know, witness list on both sides are under seal. Then what's going to happen is those transcripts from the court reporter is going to go to the state of Idaho counsel, is going to go to Mr. Koberger's counsel, and at that point the parties will have 14 days per this order to identify whatever portion of the transcript that should be redacted from public disclosure. But Judge Hippler is not just going to take their word for it. He wants a basis. In other words, if, let's just say, one of the counsel says that the entire portion of pages 5, 6, 7, and 8 needs to be redacted, it cannot be made public, well, that's not good enough. Judge Hippler is going to want a basis. What's the grounds for withholding this from the public is what this order is saying. So providing a basis for the same, thereafter, the court is going to release to the public a redacted transcript of the previously closed portion of the hearing. It is so ordered. January 27th, 2025, Steven Hippler, District Court Judge. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this as a very positive outcome. I have been concerned, and I give my opinions pursuant to the First Amendment, freedom of speech and of the press, of the large number of documents, the hearings that have been under seal in this case, on top of the non-dissemination order that's been in place because the parties wanted it commencing January 3rd, 2023 on forward. Judge Hippler said a few things at the public hearing when the media coalition came in and wanted this hearing public, the hearing on the 23rd public. He said, you keep sending me stipulations, requests to seal things. I've told the parties to knock it off. So it doesn't appear as though things are going to be by rote automatically sealed in this case because there's a new sheriff in town, in my opinion. His name is Judge Steven J. Hippler. He's going to give the parties 14 days to look at that transcript, give reasons why any portion of it should be not re-released to the public, and then the public's going to have a copy of it. So let's keep our eyes peeled. This is not going to happen tomorrow because the court reporter, it's going to take him or her some time to prepare the transcript. Then it's going to take 2 weeks for the parties to raise their objections to their position as to what needs to be sealed. And then it's got to go to Judge Hippler and then it'll be released. We'll keep our eyes peeled on the docket for that. Thank you for joining us here today.